Greetings to you all. I hope you're doing well. The M100 drive is the new generation of LS brand drives, which has replaced the IC5 drive. Today we want to teach you how to set it up. Please stay with me so that Ms. Bankdar can provide you with a complete explanation.
One of the ways to start up the M100 drive is by using the keypad. To do this, on the main screen we press the up arrow 3 times to reach the parameter related to startup. We enter DRV once. If we set the value to 0, we can start the drive using the keypad and the run and stop buttons. We press enter twice and DRV appears again. By pressing shift, we return to the main screen. We precisely set our desired operational frequency, and by simply pressing the prominent run button, the electric motor immediately starts running smoothly and continuously until we deliberately press the stop button once again. The second method of starting the drive is by sending commands to the input terminals, which here we do using 2 push buttons. To the input terminals, here we have connected the push buttons to terminal pins P1 and P2, where P1 is set to clockwise rotation by default, and P2 is set to counterclockwise rotation by default. Now, in order to be able to send commands via the terminal, on the main screen we press the up arrow again 3 times until we reach the DRV parameter. We press enter once and set the value to 1 so that we can send commands through the terminal. We press enter twice. We press the shift key and return to the main screen. Now, by carefully pressing the P1 button, the electric motor immediately starts rotating in a clockwise direction. And by pressing the P2 button, it starts rotating counterclockwise. In mode 1, the P1 and P2 buttons have no connection to each other. Now we will carefully go back to the DRV parameter once again and meticulously set its value to 2. In this particular mode of operation, the startup procedure is once again accomplished through the input terminals. The key difference here is that the P1 button is specifically used to run the drive, and the P2 button changes the direction of its operation. In fact, in this mode, as long as the P1 button is not pressed, the P2 button has no function at all. If we set DRV to mode 3, the drive will be started via the network, which we will discuss in detail in future tutorials.
Thank you for staying with us and supporting us with your likes and comments.